Out here bird hunting. Got a BB pellet gun. Has me and some pellets in there. Just waiting for some birds. Or squirrels. Any kind of bird. Blackbirds, Tweety birds. I don't really care. But that's some of the trees. There's some more trees. And I'm just sitting here. Birds flying way up ahead. Too high. Plus they're probably not going to land, so. Big old hawk way up there. Or something like that. It was pretty good today. Down here in Louisiana. Just waiting. This bird's really high flying, but probably not going to land. You can probably hear all the Tweety birds in the background. Can't see them, but they're everywhere. Yes, and I'm just sitting here. There's a Tweety bird flying. Probably not going to land though. In the tree. It's really hot outside, kind of. Let's see. This is my gun right here. There's two of them right here. There's like some doves or something. There's some doves. Really nothing. Some more doves. They're not gonna land, I know that for a fact. There's two more doves. A lot of doves over here in the middle of town. And I might shoot a squirrel. I don't know though. There's a bird way over there in a small tree. Too far for my gun. I moved to another tree, which is kind of closer, but still too far. There's another dove. Man. Oh, there's a whole bunch of blackbirds. Sorry, I sneeze a lot. It's probably my allergies or something. And still no birds. There's a whole bunch of blackbirds, I'm guessing. Yeah, a bunch of blackbirds. It's really sunny today. I have my glasses on. And hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it since there's no more birds. And bye.